Okay, I have a Assa 6-pin oval cylinder lock from Luke B, friend of mine on YouTube. We do not have a key to the lock. He's made it into a challenge lock. So let's open it up and look at the pins. It's a fairly wide open keyway, so we don't really have a problem with the thickness of the pick. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway again, as I usually do. And let's use this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, we've got a little bit on 6, a little bit of false set. Okay, I think 5 gives us the false set. Let's go to the back again. Okay, there's a little bit more on 6. Okay, a little bit on 4. Okay, there's a little bit more of a false set off of 4. Okay, a little bit on pin 2 then, slid up a little bit, plug moved a little. Okay, getting a little false set off, okay, pin 1, give us a little bit more for false set. Okay, there's a little bit more on pin 2. Okay, pin 1 giving us some feedback. See if we can get it to set. See if we can do it this way without losing everything. Okay, I think we got pin 1. Let's go to the back again. Okay, we got our false set back. Okay, a little bit more on pin 1. We're still getting a false set off pin 1 now. Okay, pin 1. Yeah, that's still not set. Okay, well, come on. Okay, pin 1's giving us a headache. Okay, there it is, open on pin 3. So let's see if we can take this apart, see what kind of pins that Luke has put in it. Sure don't want to lock it back. I don't have a key for it, so make sure it's not trying to get locked up. Okay, let's see if we can turn it like that. Let's see if a follower will go through it. Okay, well, there's a... Okay, the pins fell out, so we'll just have to take them out anyway to look at them. Okay, he has threading on 1, 3, and 4. Counter milling on number 1. For some reason, number 2 is slightly undersized for some reason. I guess because of the threading and stuff on each side of it. Pin on it was sticking for a long time. Alright, let's see what we can do with this now. Number 1 fell out, was a spool. Okay, number 2. Let me get the camera down a little bit. Okay, that pin, got one pin, number 3 pin is stuck in the Bible. See if I can get the other pins out, and then I'll worry with that one. See if I can get this one pin out. It's in number 3 pin. Okay, let's take one of these cap screws out. See if we can get the pin out. Okay, that was a flywheel type pin stuck up in the Bible. See if we can look inside. Okay, that's why this lock is giving me such a headache. Disassemble this, or take the rest of these plugs out, these set screws. There's another one. Okay, see, he's threaded these. This one is run at a slight angle this way. This one threaded, and you plug this one off. Threaded this and threaded this. Okay, that's about as good as we're going to get it. So anyway, it still has a spring stuck in that number 4 position. Okay, we can't get it out right now. Okay, that's what we have in this Assa Bible. It's there, and looks pretty good anyway. It worked. So let's look at these pins a little bit closer. See what kind of pins were in this lock. See, we'll zoom in on two of them at a time. Okay, we got a type of spool with a key pin, some kind of a T-pin. It was in upside down. This is a another key pin. On 3 and 4, we had this flywheel type pin, serrated key pin, serrated pin, and a spool serrated type key pin. On the last two, this one was in at this angle, serrated. This is serrated and standard key pin. Okay, Luke, I appreciate you sending this lock in. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And anytime any of you ever put these flywheel type pins in this lock, if there's a hole or holes on the side of these plugs, fill them in, because these pins, if they're in the wrong spot, will fall in that hole and just lock up the whole lock, and you may or may not ever get it apart. Okay, thank you very much, Luke. Appreciate it. And thank everyone else again for watching.